danger swig. So to start the job off, I started out with a piece of sheet metal, sectioned it off into grids of equal size to cut up to use as washers to hold the flares onto the guards. After choosing the appropriate PPE, some sunnies, some earmuffs, take the grinder straight to it, cutting down the black lines, cutting your sections up so you can use them. Like I said, we're going to drill holes through those later, and they're what's going to be to the guard. Now that you got all your little spacers, washers, whatever you want to call them, it's time to remove that inner guard and get access so we can bolt, drill, all the rest. Let's get rid of that. That is not needed for now. About 30 years worth of dirt there. So now that we've got it all measured out, get the cut-off wheel out, or however you want to cut it, and start cutting it up. There's many different products you can use. A lot of people use garden edging, or you can buy proper flares off Trade Me or eBay, but the product I use, it's off the top of curtain side truck and trailers. You go to any truck dismantlers, it's usually laying around the yard, you get it free, maybe you'll pay a box of beers for it, but it's durable, it's cheap, it's exactly what you're after. Mint. Now that you get your drill out, pre-drill the holes in our washers. Pretty blunt drill bit here I've got. Fucking blunt drill bit here I've got. Alright, so after purchasing a new drill bit, butter. Too easy. Now I can start drilling holes through the guard. I just drilled one hole to start with, and that's where I can work off, and I can go forward and back from there, drill holes either side, and it should work out sweet as. On each flare I've got at least 10 bolts. They're bolted through the little sheets of sheet metal, so there's no way this thing's coming off when it rubs up next to trees. And there it is, the final product. So nice and easy, cheap. It's only cost me the price of the nuts and bolts. That's what it looks like inside with our little pieces of sheet metal. You could probably do certainly a tidier job than I've done, but it's mint. DIY, free, cheap, mint, flares, bang on. Alright, so it's school holidays. It was just a short one this time. I've been away for a while and had other stuff to do, kid and all that. So that was a cheap, easy way to get some flares on a four-wheel drive. So like I said earlier, that's just the skirting off the top of a curtain side of truck. So you could use garden edging from Mitre 10 Mega, that stuff's pretty cheap, or find some own plastic trimming of your own. Or you can buy the actual proper stuff off Trade Me or eBay alike for peanuts anyway, 50-60 bucks for probably enough to do the whole truck anyway. But this cost me only the price of nuts and bolts, which was about 20 bucks, and looks just as good, I'd think. So if you're here for the first time, smash subscribe. If you're here from before, give us a like, comment down below, and hopefully we'll see you soon.